Hello. So I wanted to do a video about the Wisconsin Fast Plant Lab that you'll be doing. So I took the data this year. Most years, of course, you guys would be collecting the data for this lab. But since we're not in school, I was the one that got to count over 1,000 plants, but that's okay. There's two types of plantings in this lab. And as you become accustomed to the lab, you'll kind of see why the lab is set up in this manner. So let me show you those two types of plantings and the traits you'll be looking at. So this is called the Petri dish planting. So grown on a Petri dish with a filter paper. So I'll kind of rotate it around. Our trait we're looking at is purple versus non-purple stem. You can kind of even see the purples from above here. Like that's a purple plant. And if I tilt it, you can see also that the stems are purple, but they're also non-purple plants. Like this guy right here that I have my finger on. Notice its leaves are green, its stem it's green. It is a completely non-purple plant. And you can probably pick out a few other that are completely non-purple, but look how purple those purple plants get when grown on the Petri dish. This was after a week, so I planted these on Easter, and now is the following Sunday that I'm observing these Wisconsin fast plants. The other type of planting we did, let me switch that out, is in soil. Notice looking from above, you would almost think that none of these plants are purple at all. So I'll scroll from one side to the other, but if I tilt it, this might be a little challenging. You can start to see that some of them do have purple stems, particularly like this one right here, here. So there are bunches of purple plants here, but certainly the expression of purple is different in the soil than it was in the Petri dish. And we can now pick out some non-green, some non-purple plants too. Here's a non-purple one on the edge here. Here's another non-purple one over here. So you can find the purple and the non-purple. But yeah, the data collection on this one, where your purple isn't expressed to the degree it is in the Petri dish, is a bit more difficult. But those are our two types of plantings. We have the Petri dish, and we have the soil planting. I counted 15 different Petri dishes, 12 different trays like this to get all the data you're seeing in that spreadsheet and that you'll be able to analyze for the Wisconsin Fast Plant Lab Report.